name's Mandy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your beautiful butterflies for our art installation at Ilfracombe Museum. First, I'll show you what your butterflies are going to be doing there. So if you can see this is a drawing that I've made just to plan out what the art installation is going to look like. So your butterflies will be flying across the wall towards the door, and as they go further towards the door they'll be bigger. So if you can see on these cards here, you'll get a piece of card each. You might have big ones or smaller ones, and you might have butterflies or moths. So as well as our cards, our templates with the butterflies on, you'll need a pair of scissors to cut them out. You'll need some acrylic paint and a silver or gold pen. And the first thing that you're going to do, once you've got all your equipment, you're going to cut out around the butterfly. So you have to cut them all out, and what you're left with then will be some spare card. Before you start painting your butterfly or moth, I want you to test out some patterns with your paint so that you can see what the paint looks like on the colour of card that you've got, and you can test out all the different patterns that you'd like to use. So at the end of the video, if you carry on playing, after I've given you the instructions, you'll see lots of photographs of some of the butterflies and moths that we've got at the museum. Have a good look at them, see what sort of patterns they use. They can be like swirly shaped patterns, spots and dots and stripes. And then you choose how you're going to decorate yours. You don't need to make your butterfly or moth look like a real one. What we want is really pretty, creative patterns, so you can design a pattern for your own insects, how you want them to be. So, there we are. Our butterfly. Front and back. Now for the finishing touches. Get my special pen, you need to shake it first. And I'll test it on the test paper. You have to press down a couple of times to make sure it's working. You don't have to do this bit, but if you want to just add some little touches, I'm going to put some tiny little bits of silver onto the wings. So they shine. And there we are, glinting in the light. So the final thing I have to say is thank you. Thank you for taking part, and I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing all your butterflies and moths. Don't forget to keep watching the video, and you'll see examples of moths and butterflies that we keep in the collection at the museum. And I look forward to seeing you there when the work is up on the wall and you can be very proud of what you've done. Thank you. Bye.